My name's Tippy and I studied A-level English Language, Sociology and Media Studies.
My name is Isabel Hazel and I studied A-level Fine Art, Psychology and Sociology this year.
My name's Maisie Bell and I did A-levels Law, English and Sociology and I got BCC.
My name's Chloe Hurst. I'm studying the T-level in Health and I got an overall C.
My name's Arwen Haler. I was doing BTEC Health and Social Care and I got a pass.
Yeah, my name is Jimmy Watson. I did A-level English Literature, Graphic Design and Business, and I got a C in English Literature, a B in Business and a C in Graphic Design.
I'm really pleasantly surprised. I thought I'd get way below what I got, but I ended up getting way above, so yeah, I couldn't be happier really.
I only got a CCD, which to some people might not be very high, but coming out of the first year of A-levels, I was getting all U's or E's. I had a lot of support from my tutors and social system here at the college. So, do you know, I'm really thankful for my tutors for everything they've done for me.
I feel really happy about my results. I wasn't expecting that, so I'm quite pleased.
Well, I did better than I expected, so pretty good.
I'm off to Nottingham Trent this September.
So I'm going on upstairs to level 4 to do a fine art foundation year.
I'm going to study law in Birmingham City University.
So I'm going to do the second year of my course.
I plan to move on to the T-level healthcare course.
So I'm looking at doing an apprenticeship in scaffold design at an architecture firm.